That is the Santa Monica Pier.
Wait, hold on, because that's sitting seat right there.
Santa Monica. Day 2 in LA, where we're going down for breakfast. Today we're gonna probably go down where? Malibu?
Santa Monica.
Santa Monica. Why did I say Malibu? Santa Monica. Not right now. Starting our morning off with coffee. So we are at Hotel Angelino. We're about to see how good their breakfast game is. All right, we made our way to breakfast. It is omelet, bacon, eggs, some toast. Ella's got potatoes. Jen, well, she's done. That's our view.
Needlepoint.
Wait, hold on, because that's sit and sleep right there. Air One is by that.
Yeah, there's more than one sit and sleep, honey. It's a chain. Doesn't matter, we're not stopping anyhow right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, well,
And then wait, hold on. And there's Petco.
There's Yale Street.
And it was by Petco too.
Yeah, honey, they're all chains, so they're
absolutely not. Lots of vendors selling fruit down here. Lots of people on the bike path. There you have it. I think we're gonna make our way out there. So the first thing we noticed when we got here, it's a lot colder here than it is, I guess, say in town, but in the city, it's a lot colder here on the coast, obviously because of the ocean, but I wasn't quite expecting that. Where are we?
What?
It's colder here.
It is kind of cold.
All good. Yeah.
So,
you stay with that, okay? Yeah, it's okay. I gotta go home like this. How do I say what?
You have to what? Take a right, eh? Up near. Yeah.
Yeah, but if you came down all the way down here, you'd miss the sun.
Wonder how much parking is down here.
oh, they don't even have like.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Lots of restaurants out here. That is Bubba Gump Shrimp Company. Gotta check out this Cadillac. That's one big Cadillac. Watch him duck this wave. I'll watch him duck it. Nope.
Just like adults.
We are nearing the end of the pier. We're gonna have a little copyright music here. Have to blur it out. Let's see what this bird has to say. Hey Ella, there's Stanley.
Hi.
Hi Stanley. Lots of people out here. Everything outside 2 for $5. Okay. Down at Santa Monica Pier. I'm not sure if we're supposed to be doing this or not, but we're cutting through a hotel to get to our car because we parked under this hotel. But it's the only thing we got in common with this place is we parked our car here.
Up or down?
We're lost already.
There might be a thing right here. We can get out. Anything?
No, all it smells gasoline. I don't care about my new voicemail.
Boston's gonna call.
Someone tell me why my phone works better when I have 2 bars than when I have 4.
I don't know. Sometimes I think it's where we're at too, because we're in the mountains and by the water.